Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today we are doing an Amazon haul, but specifically for home decor. If you have noticed that my background is looking a little different than my other videos, that is because I am doing a room transformation. It's not done yet, but at least the walls are painted. I am vlogging the whole process of this room transformation, so stay tuned for that. But of course, with redoing your room, you need to buy some new pieces, which I was so excited about. And what's really cool is that most of the things that I did get for this room were all from Amazon. So that means they showed up in front of my door within like 2 days and they were all super affordable. In the description down below, I will have linked my Amazon store and you guys can go ahead and check that out if you want to see what are my other favorites from there, because today I will only be speaking about the home decor pieces. Before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. It would really help my channel out a lot. And subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So now without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with this haul. Let's go ahead and start off with what is right behind me, because this is all from Amazon. So first we have here this vase that I am absolutely obsessed with. It's not heavy, but it does have some weight to it. It feels really good and it was super affordable. These vases that have like these human faces on them have been so trendy recently and I'm all for it. I really love how it looks. You will see I actually bought another one that I will share with you that also has a face on it. This vase came in like 4 different colors. I did go with the white one because white is definitely my vibe in my room, but there was also a black one, a silver one, and a gold one, I believe. Next, I am so excited for this. I got this little wood stool here that is actually meant, I believe, to put like a plant on top of it, but what I got it for is actually to put a candle. Now there's nothing on it yet because the candle hasn't arrived. I actually got the bubble candle and it's coming in about 2 weeks, so that will go on top of here. The candle will be a cream color. I just think that that place on here will look so pretty. This is something that I am going to reuse for sure. You can use this in the kitchen if you want to put like a soap on it, by the sink. You can just use this in so many different ways. I absolutely love it and think that this would look perfect in any room, whether it's the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedroom. You can just use it in so many different ways. Next we have this right here. So I'm sure you guys know pampas grass have been everywhere. I just love how it looks. I actually found these white ones off of Amazon. I think they give such a nice touch to the room. They were super affordable. It actually came with 30 of them. So what you can do is maybe do half in one vase and half in another vase. I kind of all put them into one vase since it is the main centerpiece of my background. And then I did also get this glass vase on Amazon as well. Now one thing I need to mention with pampas grass is that it does shed a lot, but that is 100% normal, so don't be alarmed if you do see that it is shedding a lot. There are like pieces like always coming out of this thing. Another thing, when I received this, there was actually a note saying that I had to leave it in the sun for a couple of hours before, you know, using it as decor, and I didn't do that. So let me know if I should and if they should be looking different. But honestly, in Montreal there isn't even much sun these days at all, so I didn't want to just leave them out in the cold on a cloudy day anyways. But let me know if I should do that. Is it really worth it? Will there really be a difference, or should I just keep it like this? The next thing we have here is this black vase that has this little cute face on it. Once again, this has some weight to it. I can't believe how affordable it was. I just love how this looks. I think it adds such a nice touch to the room. I believe this also came in like a cream color. This is actually going on my shelf that is on top of my desk, and I haven't figured it out completely yet, but I will be putting other black things around it. I think this is just super cute. It's minimalistic but still has like a kick to it, you know. It's not just a normal black vase. With the little face, I find it just adds the little touch that you do need, and honestly you can't even see it. You really need to look at it to really notice, so I just love that. Next we have this Kleenex holder here. if you want to go that extra mile and really make your room look nice and aesthetic and kind of all match together, I would recommend getting this. Honestly, it's super affordable, and you know how sometimes Kleenex boxes can have a lot of different colors on them, and that doesn't really match my room. So by getting this, it just makes it look super cute. I absolutely love everything that is quilted. So yeah, I've actually had this for like a year now. It's in perfect condition and I'm so happy that I got it. It's all about the little things in life. Next, we actually have this right here, which I'm sure you have seen, because just like those vases with faces on them, I have been seeing this absolutely everywhere. It is this rope that is beaded and has these really nice tassels. I know that there are some stores that are selling them for so much. It's just incredible. I saw one place was selling it for $80, but this is actually from Amazon and I only got it for $15. So I have two books on my nightstand that actually have a candle on it, and so this goes around the candle and you can kind of have fun and place it however you like and give it kind of like a messy look. I think this adds such a nice touch because of the neutral colors, and obviously everything kind of matches. You can put this on a basket. There are so many different ways that you can use this. Next, I want to share with you guys this alarm clock, because it's not like any other alarm clock. This one has a touch to it that I absolutely love. So I have been seeing everyone putting this lighting in their room that at night you can turn on and it makes your room pink or blue or purple. I didn't really want to get that and, you know, hang these lights everywhere. So I actually found this alarm clock that has this light in it. So you just press the button and there's like 8 different colors that you can choose from. And I love how it's not too much. It just adds a little touch. So at night I've been turning it on and putting on the little pink light, and I think it's just super cute and fun, and it's not too much. It's just enough. If you're like me and you don't really want to completely make your whole room pink, but maybe just a little section, then I definitely recommend getting this alarm clock. And also during the day when it's not even turned on, I think it just looks super modern and nice. It's nothing too crazy. What I also like about this alarm clock is that you can choose the intensity of the light of the time. So normally at night I will put the intensity down so that there isn't too much light in my room. And actually sometimes it'll happen where I do have the lights turned off, but then I do need a little bit of light to see. So I'll just up the intensity and there you go, I have some light. So yeah, I really like that too. Next, I wanted to share with you this big basket I have here. This is actually the basket I use as my hamper. I find it super cute. It just matches my aesthetic perfectly. I love the little handles here. I love this. I have it in this big size to use for my dirty clothes, and I actually have this one in a smaller size as well, and that's what I use to put all of my workout equipment inside, so it keeps it nice and organized but also cute at the same time. But yeah, I think this is just super cute and I love how it looks in my room. Next, I did get this big organizer to put on my desk for all of my books and school things that I use constantly. I also like how it has a little section where I can put all of my pens and highlighters, and also look how cute this scissor is. I also got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. I just love how aesthetically pleasing this all looks, but once again it just keeps it nice and organized and looking cute at the same time. So that's it for today's video. I really hope I didn't forget to mention something. In case I did, you guys should definitely check out my Amazon store because I have everything linked there. There will be a link in the description box, as well as one for Canada and one for the US, so just make sure to pick your correct country. Someone needs to delete this Amazon app off of my phone because I am just buying too many things. Everything is just so convenient. It's affordable, it comes to your door, like it's just amazing. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to make maybe other series on my Amazon favorites, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!